Just a quickie today, guys. We're in Suchitoto in El Salvador, and this is my hotel room, and it's probably the best hotel room of my trip so far. So let me show you around. We've got some lovely blue flowers and a blue curtain. Out there is the town square behind the bars. This is it's all very blue, as you can see. There's the big bed and plenty of tables and stuff. Excuse my mess and excuse my underwear as well. I do hand washing. So we've got nice beds, we've got air conditioning, we've got a TV that's got all the sports channels, it's got YouTube, Netflix, it's smart TV, and we've got the bathroom. Again, I do hand washing, so there's clothes everywhere, excuse all that, but got hot water in the shower, we've got a mirror that's clean. It's a bargain because it also comes with breakfast, which I'll show you in a second, and it comes with like a little patio area just outside, a little courtyard, and it's about $20 a night. Cannot go wrong. Really pleased with this place. Great location as well. And this is a little communal area, free water, and it's actually stopped raining for once. Free coffee. And leaving the hotel, step out here, and lovely cobbled streets of Suchitoto. It's a Monday, so there's not many people around, but this is the main square. We'll just have a brief look at this, guys, because in a minute we're going to start walking to a waterfall. Now, I was hoping the rain would ease off at some point. I've been here 3 days, but it hasn't, so we're just going to go for it anyway. We're going to go to the waterfall. Here's the main square, here's the church of Suchitoto. Suchitoto, Suchitoto. I love that name, guys. Suchitoto, Suchitoto. It means flower bird in the Nahuatl language. Chicken bus. Just a few years ago, tourists would have needed a police escort to get to this waterfall. Nowadays, now that they've thrown all the bad guys in jail, it's safe for a stupid gringo with a camera to be walking around on their own. Look at this cow's ears. Oh, she's gone. I was going to say look at the ears, but yeah, it's gone. Don't want to be on camera, huh? Buenos días. Bonito el caballo. Just over there, that's the lake of Suchitlan. So my original plan for Suchitoto, as you can hear, is very quiet, and I was going to camp out for a couple of nights, but the weather has been so shocking that I haven't been able to. There's a tropical storm at the moment in Honduras and Belize. Belize is completely shut down right now. The airport's closed, all the hotels are closed. Honduras is struggling. Costa Rica, there's floods, and we've just caught the arse end of it. I mean, the rear end of the back end. My vocabulary is shocking today. We've caught the end of the storm Sheila or something like that it's called, and it's just been not raining heavily, just drizzling all day and night. And this is the first break we've had. But I was just talking to the cowboy on the horse just there. He reckons it's going to rain again this afternoon. I don't know if he's seen the weather forecast or it's just his cowboy wisdom or what. Alright, here we are, Cascada Los Tercios. And this is what it looks like when it's not been raining a lot, apparently. It's kind of like the waterfalls in Iceland, the basalt columns. Hola, buenos días.
Vale $1 la entrada.
Sí, está bien.
Sí.
Ok.
A mí sería.
Ah, yo te pago, ok. Muy bien.
Bueno.
¿Se puede bañar? ¿Se puede nadar?
No mucho porque
No.
está muy sucia el agua.
Ah,
pero
por
sí,
la lluvia.
La vista es bien hermosa.
Ok, muy
Sí.
bien. Gracias.
Bueno.
Alright, here's the viewpoint. And it's got one of those swings that everyone on Instagram seems to love. Yeah, it's a nice view, isn't it? Yeah, lovely. This would be a nice place to come for lunch, wouldn't it? Bring a little picnic. You've got tables, you've got chairs, you've got hammocks. You've got this view. Lovely. Wow. Goes all the way around. I haven't seen that part of the river before. Well, this is the first time I can officially say I'm stood right on the edge of a waterfall. I enjoyed that, guys. It was good. But guess what? It started raining again. So we're going to head back to town and see if we can dry off a little bit. Oh, muy fuerte. Ush.
No se molesta con el agua esa cámara.
No, la cámara no está bien con agua. Se
vale.
puede sumergir y todo, sí.
Es contra el agua.
Sí. ¿Vas para Suchitoto?
Por ahí nomás un caserillo que está ahí.
Ah, sí. Ah, qué suerte.
La colonia.
Wow, casi no se ve el otro lado.
No, ya se cubrió bastante.
Sí. Eso no es normal en esta época, ¿no?
No,
No. Oh.
no, ya en esta época, otros años,
Ajá.
es verano ya.
Sí.
Sí, ya está el sol haciendo viento bastante.
Ajá.
Ajá.
¿Y tú eres de aquí, de esta colonia? Ajá, sí.
Sí,
¿Ha cambiado mucho?
sí, ha cambiado.
Mucho más seguro, ¿no? Ahora.
Sí,
Sí.
sí, está por un lado, ha hecho bien el gobierno,
Sí.
pero por otro lado,
No tanto.
no tanto, porque muchas cosas está bien diferente.
Sí.
Sí.
Verás.
Sí, porque hay unas cosas de que se han puesto más caras
Sí. Y es más difícil tener un negocio ahora, ¿no?
sí, es
Por
difícil.
más impuestos y
Ajá,
cosas así.
cabal. De tan bueno que está el gobierno ahora,
Ajá.
es algo peligroso porque si a usted lo encuentra en un lugar que tal vez otro sea maleante, pero si usted anda allí, uno se va también en cuenta.
Ah, sí.
Porque hay bastante gente que está presa que tal vez no debe nada.
Y no sé cómo están los derechos humanos en la cárcel.
No, ahorita no existen los derechos humanos.
Y dicen en los Estados Unidos que Bukele está mandando los presos a Estados Unidos.
No,
Es una mentira, ¿no?
eso es mentira. A mí me agarraron una vez, ya hace como 7 años más o menos. Estaba trabajando en los camiones
Sí.
y me agarraron en el río de Quesalapa. Y me llevaron de un solo para Sensunte
Ajá.
a meter en una cárcel bien encerrada.
Wow. Qué
Pero-
fuerte.
Investigaron y investigaron de que nosotros trabajando andábamos, pero como un día antes habían andado los ladrones robando ganado,
Ajá.
entonces por medio de eso los llevaron a nosotros.
Wow.
Ajá.
Entonces, seguro que hay muchos presos que son inocentes ahora, ¿no?
Sí, es que el problema es que no investigan bien primero.
Sí.
Ajá. Se ve la persona que es de mal corazón. Sí, se ve. No hay necesidad de ser psicólogo, porque el que es, se le echa a él por encima.
Ajá.
Sí. Ya caló la lluvia. Sí.
Sí, está parando.
Te va a llevar bien bañado allá al pueblo.
Ay, ay, ay. El drenaje no puede.
¿Mande?
El drenaje aquí no puede, demasiado.
Es que
demasiado lluvia.
quiere, ahí está entapeado, quiere destapado.
Ah,
Sí,
¿por las hojas o?
por las hojas
Ah,
y el mismo lodo. Y me quedo yo.
ok.
Ahí que le vaya bien.
Mucho gusto. Well guys, just shows how it can all change. So I'm not talking about just the weather. I came out to make a video showing the waterfall and we ended up discussing politics. We've got a nice little insight there into Salvadoran life. Alright, we're down here. Ay, ay, ay. I need to get back to the hotel and have a shower. Still raining and we're back in the square. I've just dried off. Here we've got quite a lot of sort of touristy restaurants, but we're going to go to the Comedor where the locals eat. So guys, lunch was $3.85, which is very good value for what it was. It's very healthy as well. This is nice cobbled streets. It's the same all the way through the town. You see off in the distance there the clouds, the steam coming out of the jungle. It's got pure jungle steam. Guys, I'm under this tin roof so you can kind of hear how much rain is coming down. Not much, it's just drizzling a little bit. So we're going to take a risk. We're going to head down into the jungle, into the steamy jungle, and hope we don't get soaked. I do like these rubber tyre plant pots. They're pretty cool. Good way to repurpose them. So as I said earlier, I was going to camp on this trip, but because of the weather I couldn't. And I came down here the other day on a reconnaissance, oh god, a recce. And as I was walking along this bit, a snake, probably only about 1.5 feet, slithered out in front of me. I only caught the end of it, but after that I was just on high alert, so everything I saw, I was just like freaking out. Butterflies, ants, everything. Okay, change of pants needed. I don't know if you can see it guys, but that spider is horrific. Ugh, scary as hell. Luckily I was able to get under the cobweb, but ugh, that's made all my hairs and my back of my neck stand up. Yes. And this is what I wanted to show you guys. This is why we're here. A rickety old bridge. Look, spiders, go away. Looks like it's going to give way any minute. But look at this, how cool is this? Yes, love it. Imagine if this just fell down now. Wow. Fixed up there, but not on that side. Oh God. I don't know what's gone on with this tree here, why it's all fenced off. It looks like it's hanging on by a thread. Look, it's been held up by these twigs, and it's grown in, excuse the rubbish, grown up the roots of, I don't know what's happened. It's almost like it's taken root there, and it's taken root there, and it's just left like a portal. And it wouldn't surprise me if this is used for some kind of Mayan ritual. But yeah, amazing how that tree has grown like that. Absolutely covered in cobwebs. Gross. So I was going to camp. Oh blimey, it's muddy down here. I was going to camp down here. This is where I was thinking that this feels like another portal, doesn't it? Walking through here. Mysterious place on the river. Full of jungle noises. What the hell is all this corn doing here? Oh, there's a cow pat there, so do cows eat corn? I don't know. I don't know if it's because of that spider or because of the weather, but I've just got this impending sense of doom. These clouds as well add into the atmosphere. I think I need to get out of here. It's jungle's playing tricks on my mind. Kind of creepy. Does it feel creepy? Is that conveyed in the video? Does it feel creepy to you guys? Or is it just me? Look, it's wonky, like it's hanging over to the one side. God, let's get off this as quickly as we can. What's that? I wonder what that noise was then. Jeez. Paranoid. Oh, get me back to civilization quick. Right, we're almost out of the jungle now. I didn't film much because, as you can see, it's getting dark in here. Let's get out to the light. Some of the butterflies in this country are the same size as the birds. I mean, this one is easily the size of a hummingbird. Oh, guys, I'm so paranoid. I'm scared of a bloody butterfly. There we go. We survived, guys. We survived. We survived our mini jungle expedition. I need to catch my breath. I rushed up there a bit. Oh, the blood was pumping. Just going to enjoy this view for a minute, I think. Alright, jungle is massive. Let's head back to town. Well guys, we've had a fun day today, but right now we're coming up to the highlight of any day in El Salvador. It's pupusa time. Buenas. Hola. Quiero dos pupusas. Igual de ayer, si me te acuerdas de mí.
De queso con oroco.
Queso y... Sí, eso.
Sí, nos acordamos.
Muy bien, muy bien. And the pupusas were superb as always. That's about it from Suchitoto, guys. That's a day in the life of a vlogger. Still uncomfortable with that title, but I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you soon.